Let me tell you a story about old Salty 65. He's ex-Navy and he's one hell of a guy. You know his stories, they're gonna make you feel alive. So come on and subscribe to Old Salty 65.
He's getting big, isn't he, people? Hey, look at him. He's bloody beautiful. The cows got a bit big, so I can't cook them any longer. It's rump and roast.